Okay, now we're going to talk about secondary dominants. A secondary dominant is when a dominant chord is borrowed from another key. Now this is what I mean. If we have a song that's in C major, which chord is the dominant chord? The answer is G7 is the dominant chord in the key of C. But it's not uncommon that we can take a dominant chord from another key and still stay in the key of C. This is what I mean. In our first little jam here, we're going to play C, and then I'm going to play a G chord, but I'll have B in the bass. And now I'm going to go to an A chord. So ask yourself, what A chord is the natural chord in C major? And the answer is A minor. But we're not going to play A minor, we're going to play A7. And the chords sound great together. Here's C, here's G with the B in the bass. Now I'm going to play A7. The rest of the song is going to have D minor, and then F, and G. And then we'll be back to C. Yeah. All right, how we doing out there? Everybody cool? Hanging in there with me? We've talked about a lot of stuff, so hopefully you're getting the hang of it. So we just got through playing our first secondary dominant where we used an A7 chord in a song that's in the key of C major. So I just want to talk a little bit about the theory of the secondary dominant. Here's how it works. The A7 chord is normally the 5 chord in another key. We've borrowed that A7 chord temporarily. A7 is the 5 chord in the key of D. D is normally the 2 chord in the key of C, so the A7 is known as the 5 of 2. Got that? So, the A7 chord is known as the 5 of 2 because normally it is the 5th chord of D, which is the 2nd in the key of C. So, there are a finite number of secondary dominants possible. There's the 5 of 2, the 5 of 3, the 5 of 4, the 5 of 5, and the 5 of 6.